Hello viewers, Sapnikam saya CNL TV. Moya serenchimi himjo ekta khobar chinai do. Jammu and Kashmir de popular tourist town Pahalgam de attack huado April 22 de idu sal hoishi kude terrorist kanbra civilians kanopor open fire kurisharo 26 manu laga maut hoishi. Idu attack pra nation ke shock kuri deshi jundu Jammu and Kashmir region de recent years de ekta deadliest khatna mani jai. Ajikinika ekta ordinary Android phone charger bra overground worker Muhammad Yusuf Qatari ge giriftar kurishi idu opor details prachanai dibo 26 साल Muhammad Yusuf Qatari do ekta alleged OGW overground worker ase gun April 22 de Pahalgam attack de terrorist ke motot kurishe koikina officials prachanai she Qatari do Jammu and Kashmir laga uncha ilaka de thakya nomadic students khan ge teach kuri tagishe holibi tai laga opor de tinta terrorist Suleiman alias Asif Gibran aro Hamza Afghani ge modot kuriya laga inzam ase gun khan pra Pahalgam de mostly tourist khan ge morai dishe Qatari ge boochtaj kuriya homoi de tai pra manishe ki daibrahi Srinagar laga bahar Zaparwan Hills te idu charda terrorist ke log paishe aro tai khan ge logistical support dishe idi homoi tar pra ekta Android phone charger bi cholabole dishe jundu pra investigators khan dai ge track down kurule parishe forensic analysis pra breakthrough kinika paishe July de shuru hua operation Mahadev homoi police pra Zaparwan range laga foothills te idu tinta terrorist ke morai dishe Operation Homoi Kunuba Saman Khan Paishe Tade Ekta partially destroyed Android charger bi thakiche. Police pra forensic analysis kurigina charger laga original owner ke trace kurishe. Tade pra charibuli paishe ki charger do ekta dealer ba pikai dishe jundu Qatari bra kiniluishe. Idu chain bra evidence paishe ro September last week de Qatari ge arrest kurishe. Officials pra koishe ki Qatari do ekta important manu takishe idu terror group nimite tai pra terrorist ke jongol aro mushkil rasta dikhai takishe aro buhibule jaga bi dishe tai laga giriftari do Kashmir de chuli thakya terror support network laga khilaf ekta dangor kadam mani ase ija age ki hole se Authorities can koise ki case to National Investigation Agency NIA ke DD bulese kun kan puila bra Pahalgam attack laga biche dangor conspiracy ke janch kuriese ita tak NIA pra arobi duita manu ke arrest kurishe kun kan terrorist ke shelter aro support di thakishe Ijani midi khobor mani ase aru inika news aru updates kan bai thigule sai thigibi nal TV
Nagaland TV Sop Manulaga Awaz. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.